Alright folks, welcome back to another product review. Today, I'm going to unbox this and show you what is inside this box. And I'll show you that right after this. Hello folks, and welcome to North Texas Hunting and Outdoor Adventure. Alright folks, before we go into opening this box, I would like for you to do one thing for me. Right now, hit the like button, the thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe today and turn on the notification bell. Alright, I'm going to turn this camera up above, film down, and show you what's in this box. Let's jump right into it. There they are, the L116T Kit Professional LED Light. I got two of these. And I went ahead and bought the power supply. I bought two of these. These here have some batteries, but I'm going to show you that in a few minutes. Let's jump in there now. Let me move this over here. We'll work on the first one. Of course, you get your little that is not all right. There's English. Okay, here's the light. Let's move this out of the way. So here is the light. That is so neat. Then this battery will go when you're out there in the field. Put that in there. So it comes with the this little wire, so you can charge it. So you take right there, and you can plug this in. You'll probably use the little cube for the iPhone and charge this. You also have, you can mount this. Say if you mount this right here, see it's got a little spot right there where this goes right in there. And you screw that just like that. And now you can actually put this on your camera. This got a cold shoe there. It'll fit right in the camera. And tighten that up. Or you can have a little stand. I actually bought this here for this purpose, so I can have this right there. I can screw this on here. And now I can put this on this bar up here, and I can shine the light straight down to the product. So yeah, this is gonna be excellent. Yep. So we got two the same. I bought two of them. So what I'm going to do, see right here, you can actually power these up. If you're out in the field, if you have these batteries charged, you don't need no power because you've got it right in there. I'm gonna put a link in the description if you're interested in. And plug this in right there. You plug this into the wall, and you're good to go. Got a little control here where you can control the lights. So I'm going to charge this, and then I'll show you in another video how these lights will work. So yes, I did buy, I know I showed you the other lights that I bought. I have them, I've got the lights on right now doing this product review. Now, but these, if I'm in my deer blind, I can actually have one of these in there, and I can hook it up by that window, and I can have some good lighting when I do the introduction for the videos. So yes, that is very cool product. All right, folks, I'm going to charge these and see how they work. Like I said, I got two of these. So this is going to be very, very cool. I'm going to take my videos to the next level. So there you go. So when you buy this product, you get, of course, you got all your wires, your two batteries, and you got your little mounts. Oh yeah. Alright, folks, I'm gonna clean up my mess, and I will check with you guys later. Right now, if you're new, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I'd like to encourage you to check out these other videos, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Hope today you subscribe. Remember to turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, and share if you care. Alright, to subscribe right now, just click on my personal icon, and then remember to mash that notification bell. I would like for you to check out these other videos. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.